Today we are going to perform experiment number 20 to perform and report identification test on given sample of prochlorperazine maleate as per the IP. Apparatus required are test tube, Thills tube, capillary, chemicals, alcohol, ether, sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide solution, bromine solution, resorcinol, etc. If we have to observe for the description of the drug, it is available as white or pale yellow crystalline powder, almost odorless, taste slightly bitter. So here you can see that our drug is also having white color. It is crystalline powder, almost odorless and having a bitter taste. To check it for the solubility in different solvents such as alcohol, water and ether. The drug is insoluble in water, alcohol and ether. First we are going to check the solubility of this drug in water. So here in test tube I have taken a small quantity of sample and now going to add water. You can see that the drug is insoluble in water. Check solubility in case of alcohol. So here is the compound and now I am going to add alcohol. In alcohol also drug is insoluble. Check solubility in case of diethyl ether. In diethyl ether also the drug is insoluble. So as per IP our drug complies all the tests. To perform the identification test A and B. Test A, we have to dissolve 5 mg of the drug in 2 ml of sulfuric acid and allow to stand for 5 minutes. Red color is produced. Test tube, I am going to take few milligram of sample. We are going to add this dilute sulfuric acid and the red color will develop after 5 minutes. So here you can see that there is a development of red coloration within a few minutes. That means it complies the test. Next test is dissolve 0.3 mg in a mixture of 3 ml water and 2 ml sodium hydroxide solution. Shake with 3 portion 3 ml of solvent ether. Add to this aqueous solution and 2 ml of bromine solution. Warm it on a water bath for 10 minutes. Then heat to boiling. Cool and add 2 drops of solution of 10 mg resorcinol and in 3 ml sulfuric acid. We have to make that solution. You will observe bluish black color on heating for 15 minutes in a water bath. In a test tube, I am going to take a mixture of water and sodium hydroxide and going to dissolve near about 0.3 mg of sample. Now here I am going to add this solvent ether to this aqueous solution containing sample. You can see that the ethereal and aqueous layers get separated out. Now I am going to add aqueous solution of bromine. So here is the bromine solution and we have to add this solution into the test tube. containing the sample. After addition of this solution, we have to heat it on a water bath for 10 minutes. I have added resorcinol in sulfuric acid and now going to pour this resorcinol solution into a test tube containing ether and previously treated sample. Again, we have to heat it on a water bath for near about 15 minutes. So here you can see that after 15 minutes there is a development of bluish black color. So again what it indicates that our test complies as per the IP. So result is the given sample of prochlorperazine maleate complies the test A and B as per the IP. Category of prochlorperazine maleate is tranquilizer and antiemetic. The structure of prochlorperazine maleate.